Welcome to, or welcome back to Mow, Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today, we're getting dusty. All right, we're gonna do a little leaf cleanup in this campground. It's not terrible, but simply some leaves on the ground. So I'm just gonna take everything and blow it into the woods. I just mowed that. And now I just need to get this campground cleaned up. And then I got some mowing over here to do. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. To the eyes. Need goggles or something. Gee. Holy dust bowl. You can tell my glasses are covered in dust. Anyway, that's clearing the campground of leaves. Dirty job. Now all these leaves just need to fall, and then it'll be about 3 feet thick. This mulberry fell over. I have been refusing to mow underneath of it for the last, I don't know, month or so. And last weekend it fell. Any of you guys have hedge apples or Osage orange trees? They're pretty cool. Great giant fruit. Each one of these individual things here is a seed. They're pretty cool. What kind of cool trees do you guys have on your properties? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I'm just gonna mow through these hedge apples because why not? I'll be pruning all of these oaks this winter. So right now they're all in my way and it's super annoying. They're getting hacked up, mower height, so I don't have to deal with it. This used to be an old one-room schoolhouse way back in the day. Now it's just kind of boarded up and sits here. And I'm dirty. Anyway, what do you guys do about molehills? I just blow right through them. Okay, now we've got a series of trails right back through here, and they loop around all the way back to the campground. And yeah, let's see if I can get in through here without getting too much more dust in my face. Look how dusty this thing is. My water bottle. Yes. Coming up on about 2 years now, I think 2 years this winter, they did a logging project on this property to clear out some of the older trees and let some of the smaller guys come through. A lot of the older ones were dying, so might as well get them while you can still get some marketable timber out of them. But anyway, some of the trails are a little rutted up from the equipment they used, and the trails are kind of wonky because they made their own trails instead of, I mean, they had to get to the trees. So they made their own trails, and now we're trying to bring everything back to kind of what it was. So I get a lot of comments about why we run finish mowers into the woods and stuff like this, and the answer is because we only have limited space on the trailer, we only have a limited budget, and honestly these things are so much faster than a tractor with a brush hog on the back. So it's all about time, it's all about money, as with everything. And yeah, they get a little beat up in the woods here, but they handle it for the most part just fine. Look at what we have here. Mr. Turkey. What do you think of my new style? I rock that turkey feather. Okay, I've made it to the park boundary trail. Look, cows. So now we're at the pond and the dam, and this area is definitely the most dangerous place to mow here on this property, and maybe the most dangerous place for all of the properties. Okay, this is the hillside that is super sketchy. It's very steep, and if you roll, you're going into the water. It is really scary when it's wet, so most of the time we avoid it entirely. And that right there is my father-in-law's memorial bench. He passed away 10 years ago, and he held the same job that I do now. And so he passed away, and they built this memorial bench for him, which was really very nice. Yeah, sometimes before I mow this, I just like to come hang out with Rick, enjoy the view. I'm sure I'll get some comments saying, "Oh, that's not steep at all," but it's steep. Next, we'll go through this trail here by the dock, or I guess I should say deck. And there's some trails down there that are a little sketchy too. I haven't been able to mow this most of the summer because it's been so wet. We'll see if we can get a little bit of it right now. It's getting pretty grown in. There's a hole there. Fall is definitely my favorite time of the year. It's just absolutely beautiful everywhere. What about you guys? What's your favorite season? Let me know down in the comments. Well, it's starting to rain, which we haven't gotten rain in about a month, anything measurable. So hopefully we get more than just this little sprinkling. But anyway, thanks for coming along with me today. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.